Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700. This modern cruiser, twin-cylinder, fuel-injected 700, just arrived with only just under 5,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got an awesome sounding pipe on it, rear rack, passenger backrest. It's got rider floorboards. Come on by, make your low seat height CTX 700 dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing's only got a 28-inch seat height. Very easy for short leg riders. Beautiful condition. Come on by and check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.